Hello, it's Saki with an album update. I'm going to add Kazoos to my plastic song, and I just wanted to show you how lame it sounds when you have one kazoo, and how epic it sounds with 7. It's gonna sound like a whole choir of like houseflies. But anyway, I'm gonna show you I'm gonna show you one take, and then I'm gonna show you the epic final product. Okay, here we go. Alright, I know that sounded pretty lame, but it's gonna sound great when there's 6 more of them. Alright, I'm back. We got all 7 kazoos. Here we go, we're gonna have a listen. I thought that was great. Well, thanks for watching that very short video. That was not quite a tutorial, but there will be more useful videos coming up, so check back soon. Planet of